Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, let's take a closer look at the 20 euro cents coin from Spain. Dated 2006. On the obverse of this coin, we see a portrait of Miguel de Cervantes, one of Spain's most famous writers and the author of Don Quixote. His name appears next to the portrait, along with the year 2006 and the letter mark identifying Spain. The reverse design is shared across the Eurozone, featuring the denomination 20 euro cent, a map of Europe, and vertical lines symbolizing unity among European countries. This coin is made of Nordic gold, giving it its distinctive golden color, and it measures 22.25 millimeters in diameter. Most 2006 Spain 20-cent coins are common and usually worth face value. But coins in uncirculated condition or with mint errors, such as off-center strikes, die cracks, or weak details, can be worth more to collectors. So, if you have one of these coins, check it carefully, you might find something interesting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.